What's up, guys? Today, me and Carmel are gonna be making a video about OG Fun Monkey Horror. And this is probably gonna be very creepy because I've seen a lot of videos about this. So let's get into this.
Yeah,
That
as
I
you
think
heard,
that's I think that's the new
I'm
game.
playing with Captain Banana VR, and we're gonna be
And
playing OG Horror.
Fun Monkey Horror.
OG Fun
Okay,
Monkey Horror.
so there's community maps, but Carmel, let's go over here. We've never actually played this game, so this is all gonna be new for us.
We don't know what's in here.
Devtown, Crawl Space, Meetup, Palace, Sewers, Corner, Run, Quiet Place. Oh, there's more over here.
Okay. We're definitely gonna be trying Meetup. That looks cool.
Spaceship, Maze, Forest, Sandbox, Mountains, Run Remake, and Skybox.
Hey, Gorilla Tag. Let's go.
Yo, let's go.
Oh, I'm in. Oh, yeah. Oh, I need a... I'm trying to enter the code. It's a little hard.
Hello.
Hey,
Okay,
Captain
here we go.
Banana. Wait, they have
Okay,
cosmetics just like Gorilla Tag.
yeah.
Let's
Okay.
see. What is over
When
here?
I joined this code, I saw a weird orange monkey.
Same.
I don't think this is a forest.
It definitely is not.
Hello, Mr. Monkey?
Should I go find out what happens?
Yeah. Hi, Mr. Monkey.
What happens if I run into him? Nothing. I just
Oh.
paid. Oh
Oh,
look, there's a door.
he's showing us the way to get to the actual map. Okay,
Oh
put on
no,
your I don't like this already.
I have my flashlight on. Do you?
Yeah.
Is there
I
monsters?
already I think so.
I don't like
I'm
that
turning
echo.
I'm turning down my volume. This is scary.
I'm putting my volume at max. I'm curious.
No, Carmel.
Oh my gosh! I just hear you're screaming right in my ear.
Yeah. That's
All
why I
right, what's
said
the
don't.
worst that could happen? I don't feel like
Where did
it. I'm out here.
I don't like this.
I don't know if it's just me, but I seen something over there.
Over where?
There.
Let's follow this guy. He seems to know what to do.
He
Or
doesn't.
not. I think he's also scared.
Should we
This
follow him?
is creep. I don't know. He I holy stutter. I don't know. You good?
Nah, bro, he tweaking.
He tweaking.
It doesn't seem like there's anything out here.
What's his name? Oh, his name is Alex.
It's a nice name.
Yeah, this is creepy.
Yeah,
Do
I
you
don't
want
know about this.
do you want to try the fan made maps?
What?
The fan made maps,
Shut up.
not the real scary ones. Sorry, everyone, we're not doing the scary ones. We do not have the balls for it.
Yeah, what he said.
How do we oh, back. Okay. Over here's community maps.
I don't know where we're going. I'm just following him. I'm also in. What? It didn't. It changed my color back. Oh well. Who cares? Okay. I do. It's not letting me leave. Oh.
Hello.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, it looks like we're trying out runs, so
I think as soon as we get in, there's gonna be loud noises and we're gonna have to run.
no, I just jumped in the deep turn.
Deep what?
I jumped into deep turn.
What is deep turn?
A map. Dev town. Never mind. I thought that's what it said. Where's run at?
Run.
Next time we're playing the meetup.
No.
Oh no.
This.
I don't have the balls for this either. Can we even get back up? No, it's completely shut.
Oh. I don't have the balls, bro.
Where's the hole at?
There is no hole. We're stuck. I don't like this.
Leaderboard. Respawn. There's no
Where's
respawn button. Um, you still down here?
Yeah. I don't see it. Where's the respawn? The respawn doesn't exist. We're stuck down here, Carmel.
I turned on mods. What happens when?
I'm gonna also turn on mods.
Don't go. Don't look down there.
Why?
Because,
Oh, nah.
like, look at me. What is that? You had a weird smile.
This is even more scary.
Nope. I ain't doing that. Where's the hole at?
I don't know.
I'm tweaking out my arms.
I don't like this. Can we just download the other game and play that?
No, that's for tomorrow.
Huh?
That's for tomorrow.
I thought you couldn't play tomorrow.
No, I can.
No, for some reason, when I turn off the light in front of your face, hold up, look at me. You look like you've seen some things. But when I turn it back on, you're like, yeah, yeah. I don't like it. I don't like this. How do we leave? We literally can't leave.
I turned off flashlights.
Why? Why did you turn off flashlight?
my flashlight. Okay, I turned it back on. I hide in this corner, you hide in that corner. Yo, go back over there!
No.
Fine, I go over here. Bro! What?
I don't like this.
You know, I'm just gonna risk it. Why not?
Caramel, no.
No, I regret that.
Do you just want to download the other game and not play this one?
That's it. That's it for this video. Bye.